We're currently working to deploy 3 solutions. So primarily we're working with the SAP Ariba Supplier Risk solution. We're also transitioning our on-premise solution to on-demand in the cloud, and we're also, in addition to that, looking to implement guided buying. These modules that we've bought are a huge opportunity for us actually to go beyond some good practice that typically lives in spreadsheets, typically lives in documents, and actually systemize a lot of the procurement process right from upfront before we formulate our needs to go to market all the way through to the management of suppliers and their contracts. And that's really important to make sure that we work end-to-end through procurement in a consistent way, and I think using the tools from Ariba help us to do that. Particularly with the SAP Ariba Supplier Risk module, that gives me an opportunity to actually get my arms around a wider group of suppliers from a risk perspective that I couldn't otherwise do. So I personally chose SAP Ariba Supplier Risk. This again is a huge opportunity for me to manage not only our top suppliers, but look at those suppliers below, say our top 50, that we're not able to get our arms around at the moment from a resourcing perspective. Risk doesn't have a value, and what that means is in order to do this holistically, we need to look at a wider group of suppliers and say just our top 50 or just our top 100, and actually having a tool that gets to aggregate a vast amount of data and give us vital reporting on that allows me to do that, whereas I couldn't do that within the resource constraints I've got in my team.